Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home improvement aficionados. Are you tired of struggling with multiple tools for different tasks? Ever wished for a single tool that could cut, sand, scrape, and grind with ease? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of oscillating multi-tools. These versatile powerhouses are revolutionizing the way we tackle projects, but with so many options out there, which one should you choose? In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 oscillating tools that will take your DIY game to the next level. So, are you ready to discover the ultimate oscillating tool that will make your projects a breeze? Let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Black Plus Deckerbco's 20B. This compact and lightweight tool is perfect for those just dipping their toes into the world of oscillating multi-tools. When I first picked it up, I was impressed by its ergonomic design, which made it comfortable to hold even during extended use. One of the standout features of the BDCOS 20B is its variable speed control. This allows you to adjust the oscillation speed from 10,000 to 20,000 OPM, oscillations per minute, giving you precise control over your cuts and sanding. I found this particularly useful when working with different materials, as I could easily dial in the perfect speed for each task. The tool-free blade change system is another feature that I really appreciated. It made swapping out accessories a breeze, saving me valuable time during projects. Whether I was switching from a cutting blade to a sanding pad, the process was quick and hassle-free. In terms of power, the BDCOS 20B packs a decent punch with its 2.0 amp motor. While it may not be the most powerful tool on our list, it certainly held its own when I tested it on various materials. From cutting through drywall to sanding wood, it performed admirably for its size and price point. One area where this tool really shines is its versatility. The BDCOS 20B comes with a range of accessories, including a wood/metal cutting blade, a sanding pad, and several sanding sheets. Moving up to number 9 on our list, we have the RIDGID 18V cordless oscillating multi-tool. As someone who values the freedom of cordless tools, I was excited to put this one through its paces. Right off the bat, I was impressed by its robust build quality and comfortable grip. The standout feature of the RIDGID 18V is its brushless motor technology. This not only extends the tool's lifespan, but also provides more power and runtime compared to brushed motors. During my testing, I noticed a significant difference in performance, especially when tackling tougher materials like hardwoods and metals. One of the things I love about this tool is its variable speed dial, which allows you to adjust the speed from 10,000 to 20,000 OPM. This level of control is crucial when working on delicate projects or when you need to power through tougher materials. I found it particularly useful when making precise cuts in tight spaces. The RIDGID 18V also features a tool-free blade change system, which I found to be quick and secure. The added bonus is the universal fit system, which allows you to use blades and accessories from other brands, giving you more flexibility in your tool choices. Another feature that stood out during my testing was the LED light. It might seem like a small addition, but when working in dimly lit areas or tight spaces, it made a world of difference in terms of visibility and accuracy. The light is positioned perfectly to illuminate your work area without casting shadows. Coming in at number 8 on our list is the Dremel Multimax MM20V01. Dremel has long been a trusted name in the world of power tools, and this oscillating multi-tool certainly lives up to the brand's reputation. When I first got my hands on this tool, I was immediately struck by its sleek design and comfortable grip. One of the standout features of the MM20V01 is its powerful 20V brushless motor. This motor provides excellent performance and efficiency, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. During my testing, I was impressed by how easily it cut through various materials, from wood and drywall to metal and plastic. The variable speed control on this tool is another feature that I found particularly useful. With a range of 10,000 to 21,000 OPM, you have precise control over the tool's performance. I appreciated being able to dial in the perfect speed for each task, whether I was making delicate cuts or powering through tougher materials. One aspect of the MM20V01 that really sets it apart is its quick boost technology. This feature automatically increases the tool's power when it senses increased resistance, ensuring consistent performance even when working with challenging materials. I found this especially helpful when cutting through dense hardwoods or thick metal sheets. The tool-free accessory change system on the MM20V01 is another feature that I grew to appreciate during my testing. It's quick, easy, and secure, allowing you to switch between tasks without wasting time fumbling with tools. As we move up our list to number 7, we find the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. DEWALT is known for producing professional-grade tools, and this oscillating tool is no exception. From the moment I picked it up, I could feel the quality and durability that DEWALT is famous for. The standout feature of the 20V Max XR is its brushless motor technology. This not only extends the life of the tool, but also provides increased power and runtime. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by its performance, especially when tackling tough materials like hardwoods and metals. The power delivery was smooth and consistent, even under heavy loads. One of the things I love about this tool is its variable speed trigger. Unlike some other tools that use a dial, the DEWALT allows you to adjust the speed on the fly with just your finger. The speed range of 0 to 20,000 OPM gives you precise control over your cuts and sanding. I found this particularly useful when working on delicate materials or making intricate cuts. The DEWALT 20V Max XR also features a unique dual-grip variable speed trigger. This innovative design allows you to control the tool comfortably, whether you're using an overhand or underhand grip. During my testing, I found this feature incredibly useful, especially when working in awkward positions or tight spaces. Number 6 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Oscillating Multi-Tool. CRAFTSMAN has a long-standing reputation for producing reliable tools for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, and this oscillating tool certainly lives up to that standard. When I first started testing this tool, I was immediately impressed by its balance of power and comfort. One of the standout features of the CRAFTSMAN V20 is its powerful 20V Max motor. This motor provides ample power for a wide range of tasks, from cutting and sanding to scraping and grinding. During my testing, I found it capable of handling tough materials with ease, making quick work of tasks that would have been challenging with less powerful tools. The variable speed control on the V20 is another feature that I found particularly useful. With a range of 8,000 to 18,000 OPM, you have precise control over the tool's performance. I appreciated being able to adjust the speed to suit different materials and tasks, ensuring optimal performance and clean results every time. One aspect of the CRAFTSMAN V20 that really impressed me was its ergonomic design. The tool feels well balanced in hand, with a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended use. I was able to work on projects for long periods without experiencing the hand strain that can sometimes occur with less ergonomic tools. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the BOSCH GOP 18V 28N Starlock Plus Oscillating Multi-Tool. This cordless powerhouse immediately impressed me with its professional-grade build quality and innovative features. The moment I picked it up, I could tell this was a tool designed with serious users in mind. The standout feature of the GOP 18V 28N is undoubtedly its Starlock 3D tool accessory interface. This next-generation connection system provides outstanding grip between the tool and accessory, creating more contact surface area that delivers greater torque transfer. During my testing, this translated to noticeably better performance when cutting through tough materials like hardwood and metal. The cupped 3D connection really makes a difference in power delivery compared to standard oscillating tools. Another feature I absolutely love is the no-touch blade change system. Being able to attach, remove, or reposition blades without ever touching them is not just convenient, it's a genuine safety improvement. When I was working on a project that required frequent blade changes, this feature saved me time and prevented potential burns from hot blades. The system is intuitive and secure, giving you confidence that your accessories won't come loose during operation. The brushless EC motor on this tool delivers impressive performance, with speeds up to 20,000 oscillations per minute and a 2.8 degrees oscillating arc. During my testing, this combination provided excellent cutting efficiency and control. The variable speed dial allowed me to match the speed perfectly to whatever material I was working with, while the constant response circuitry maintained that speed even under heavy loads. Moving up to number 4 on our list, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Multi-Tool. Milwaukee has built a reputation for producing professional-grade tools, and this oscillating multi-tool certainly lives up to that standard. From the moment I started using it, I was impressed by its power, performance, and thoughtful design features. What immediately stood out to me was the aggressive 4.2-degree oscillation angle, one of the largest in the industry. This translated to noticeably faster cuts compared to many competitors. When I tested it side by side with other models on our list, the Milwaukee consistently finished cutting tasks quicker, especially when making long cuts through hardwood. The POWERSTAT brushless motor delivers between 10,000 to 20,000 OPM, providing plenty of power for even the most demanding applications. One of the most impressive aspects of this tool is its vibration dampening technology. Despite its powerful motor and aggressive oscillation angle, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel has remarkably low vibration levels. During extended use, this made a significant difference in comfort and reduced fatigue. I was able to work for much longer periods without the hand numbness that sometimes occurs with high vibration tools. This is a game changer for professionals who use oscillating tools throughout their workday. The 10-setting speed dial with an additional auto-load feature is another standout element. This level of speed control is more precise than many competitors, allowing you to perfectly match the tool's performance to your specific application. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the SKIL PWR Core 20 Oscillating Tool Kit. This tool surprised me with its combination of professional features and reasonable price point. SKIL has clearly put a lot of thought into addressing common user complaints about oscillating tools, and the result is impressive. The most notable feature of this tool is its innovative vibration reduction system, VRS. By isolating the motor from the body of the tool, SKIL has achieved a remarkable 90% reduction in vibration compared to their previous models. This was immediately noticeable during my testing. Extended use didn't result in the hand fatigue I've experienced with other oscillating tools. When making precision cuts that required steady hands, the reduced vibration made a significant difference in accuracy and comfort. The digital brushless motor provides efficient, high-performance power with impressive longevity. During my testing, I was able to tackle demanding applications like cutting through nail-embedded hardwood and thick metal pipe without the tool showing any signs of strain. The constant speed technology was particularly impressive. The motor communicates with the PWR Core 20 battery to maintain consistent speed, even through harder materials. This meant smoother cuts and more predictable performance throughout various applications. Battery technology is another area where the SKIL PWR Core 20 excels. The included 2.0 battery features innovative cooling technology that wraps each cell with cooling material. This resulted in 25% longer runtime and double the battery life compared to standard lithium batteries I've used. 2. Flex F x 4111-1A 24V Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Flex F x 4111-1A 24V Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. Flex might be a newer name to some, but this tool demonstrates why the brand is quickly gaining recognition among professionals. From the moment I started using it, the F x 4111-1A impressed me with its power, performance, and thoughtful design features. The most notable aspect of this tool is its 24V battery platform, which provides approximately 20% more power than the standard 18V/20V tools that dominate the market. This extra power was immediately noticeable during testing. The tool cut through tough materials with ease and maintained performance under load better than most competitors. The sensor-free brushless motor design is particularly clever, moving the sensors away from the motor to create an extremely efficient and durable motor that delivers more power with less friction. When cutting through thick hardwood and metal, this translated to faster, smoother cuts with less bogging down. Vibration suppression is another area where the Flex excels. The tool features advanced technology that isolates the user from vibration, making it much more comfortable to use for extended periods. During my testing, I was able to work for hours without the hand fatigue that typically accompanies prolonged use of oscillating tools. This is a significant advantage for professionals who rely on these tools daily. The 3D Starlock connection system maximizes power transfer from the motor to the blade, resulting in more efficient cutting and better overall performance. Taking the top spot on our list is the BOSCH GOP 40-30C corded brushless variable speed Starlock Plus oscillating multi-tool. While many professionals are moving toward cordless tools, this corded powerhouse from BOSCH demonstrates why sometimes a cord is worth the trade-off. After extensive testing, I found this to be the most capable, versatile, and reliable oscillating tool currently available. The professional-grade 4.0 amp motor delivers exceptional power and performance. With speeds ranging from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute and a 3.0 degrees oscillating arc, this tool provides optimal accessory utilization and increased productivity. During my testing, it outperformed every other tool on our list in terms of cutting speed and efficiency, especially when tackling demanding materials like hardwood, metal, and masonry. The reinforced metal gearing provides outstanding durability and optimal force transmission, ensuring that this tool will stand up to years of professional use. Like the GOP 18V 28N, this model features Bosch's excellent Starlock tool accessory interface. This next-generation 3D connection system provides best-in-class accessory grip and greater torque transfer. The difference was noticeable during testing. Accessories stayed firmly in place even during the most demanding applications, and the improved power transfer resulted in faster, cleaner cuts. The no-touch blade change system made switching accessories quick and safe, allowing me to easily reposition or replace blades without touching hot surfaces. The constant response circuitry is another standout feature that maintains the desired speed under load. When cutting through varying densities of material, the tool automatically adjusted to maintain consistent performance. This resulted in smoother cuts and more predictable operation. Final thought. There you have it, our comprehensive review of the top 5 oscillating tools on the market as of March 2025. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIY enthusiast, any of these tools would be an excellent addition to your toolkit. The right choice for you will depend on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Remember, the best tool is the one that helps you complete your projects efficiently, accurately, and comfortably. Happy building!